Hi everyone, Nick with Acme Tools. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new 60-volt cordless outdoor power equipment from Toro. Up first, we're going to be taking a look at the cordless blower from Toro. It's going to be part number 51820T. This blower is a 60-volt max brushless blower. It is available in both bare tool and in the kit. It has 605 CFM with 115 mph airspeed. The unit has a variable speed trigger along with a turbo boost button on the top of the handle. The brushless motor provides more power, more runtime, and longer life. It is digitally controlled to automatically provide more power when you need it. The integrated cruise control dial and ergonomic handle also add for reduced arm fatigue. Up next, we're going to be taking a look at the 60-volt max string trimmer from Toro. It's going to be part number 51830T. This is a 16-inch brushless string trimmer. This string trimmer can run either 0.08 or 0.095 inch line and has adjustable cutting lengths from 14 inches to 16 inches. This string trimmer has easy, fast line changes. There are no spools. Just thread the line and spin the dial. This unit offers superior durability and performance, more motor torque, and a cast aluminum direct drive head. It is powered by a brushless DC motor. Up next, we're going to be taking a look at the Toro Chainsaw. It's the 16-inch cordless brushless chainsaw available in both bare tool and in a kit. The bare tool part number is going to be part number 51850T. This chainsaw has a brushless motor, more power, more runtime, and longer life. Get up to 50 cuts through a 6x6 timber on a single charge. This tool is digitally controlled to automatically provide more power when you need it. There is a view-through window on the oil tank with a fill gauge. It is easy to check how much oil you have and if you need to add more. It has a simple, easy push-button start, pro-style chain tensioning with onboard tool storage, as well as automatic chain oiler. The Comfort Grip handle has a cushioned grip for added comfort, extra grip, and less vibration. The kickback guard with electric chain brake automatically stops the chain if the chainsaw kicks back, keeping you safe at all times. Lastly, we're going to be taking a look at the 60-volt max cordless 24-inch Hedge trimmer. It's available in both bare tool and in the kit. The bare tool part number is going to be 51840T. Get clean cuts with an efficient and exclusive blade design from Toro. Work fast with a 24-inch bar and a 3/4 inch cut capacity. The handy handle allows for up to 180 degrees of rotation. Just push the button and rotate the handle to trim vertically. Purchase any of these Toro tools online at acmetools.com or at one of our 10 store locations. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for the latest from Acme Tools, and remember to always do your best work.